Good evening, sir. You are muted.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Very good evening, my president.
We are all ready. Floor is all yours.
Thank you very much. Good evening, my dear Changemaker Governor and Changemaker Presidents and Secretaries. Absolutely a delight to be coming and speaking to our presidents, our district presidents and secretaries. I don't know, I have spoken now to nearly 40%, if not more, of the presidents, incoming presidents across the world. But no greater joy than speaking to the people where I have learned Rotary, practiced Rotary, learned from so many seniors here. Delighted to be here. Is the governor here? Sudeep is here?
Yeah, Sudeep is here.
Good evening,
Sudeep, let me
Shagata.
start with Sudeep, let me start with complimenting you for an outstanding year that you've had in the circumstances that were there. You and Shumita have been just exceptional as far as brand of Rotary in our district is concerned. You've carried yourself so very well, a distinguished couple that you are. Yes, the year did not unfold as we all had wanted it to, but that is what happens. These are the cards that were dealt to us. Who knows it better than I do? Of the 2 years that I would have served, 1 year in preparation, I've been stuck at home, but no regrets, not 1%. We've achieved a lot, even sitting at home. There was not one need that we did not fulfill. And my compliments to you, everything, whether it was YAS, which came, or the COVID issues that came, you've lived up to all of them. Membership growth has been good. Public image has been good. So all around, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Cricket fan that you are, একটু Duckworth Lewis হয়ে গেল। একবার না কয়েকবার হয়ে গেল। Not fair, but that is what life gives. We do with life what we make best out of what we are dealt.
Thank you, sir. I'm also indebted to the Presidents and Presidents.
Well done. To Probir and Rubena. I don't see Rubena. She's here.
Good evening. Good
Yeah,
evening,
she's
sir.
there.
Hi, Rubena. Good to see both of you. So, to both of you, the next year can be the most exceptional and outstanding year of your life. Let me tell you. Give your best. It's very important that you dream big, and we'll come to that a little later. But give it your best. We still do not know what cards will be dealt to us. But we will make the best of whatever is dealt to us. We will first tackle the problem at our hand, which is COVID. We are doing our best what we can. And to all the change maker presidents and secretaries, let me tell you, the president specifically, the forthcoming year can be the most rewarding year of your life. One of the most rewarding, definitely. And I say this by experience, 30 years back, it happened with me. Even as I look back at that year, I find that it was one of the most rewarding years for me in my life. Rarely will you get more opportunity of doing hands-on service with some of the people that you have spent a better part of your life. I will come here, maybe motivate and inspire you, but the work will happen at your level. Probir may tell you, let's do this, let's do that, but it is you who will do the work at the grassroots level. And you can be the biggest change makers. But you will say, ki oto bodo byapar at a club ami matro president, 20 people, 5 people, 10 people, 30 people, 100 people. What is the big deal? There is a big deal, let me tell you. If you think philosophically, it's a big deal. Because 35,000 presidents like you around the world move mountains. They come this close to eradicating polio. No mean task, mind you. Each year you do projects worth more than $2 billion. No mean task. So take your job extremely seriously. Don't take yourself seriously. K.K. Nawada bolten. Kodi Nawada, you may not have seen him, a past governor, knowledgeable gentleman. He used to say, Shekhar, we need to take Rotary seriously. We should not take ourselves seriously in Rotary. Rotary is serious business. I am not serious in Rotary. I mean, I'm not important in Rotary. Rotary is important. So let's make the most of the next year. So what is it that we will do? We will grow more and do more. Grow more to khubi jaruri. For last 20 years, when I was a district governor, membership of Rotary was at 1.2 million. 10 বছর পরে director হলাম, membership at 1.2 million. তার 10 বছর পরে president nominate হলাম, membership still at 1.2 million. Now that's not good for an organization. For 20 years you do not grow. Sudeep, will you be happy with your business that way?
Not at all, Shekhar, not at all.
Not at all. Who will be happy to হাত raise করবে 20 বছর বাড়বই না, না profession বাড়লো, না family বাড়লো, না কিছুই বাড়লো? Who is happy with that? Not a single guy. কেউ হাত তুলছে না. So look, let's change it then. This is what is happening. 20 years we haven't grown. So I thought it is important that we grow this year. And so the target is 1.3 million. Crazy target. But this is not the first time I'm taking up a crazy target. And this is no rocket science that I have evolved. I have learned from this organization itself to take crazy targets. 35 years back, some smart people took a crazy target of eradicating polio. It was crazy. People must have laughed at them. They laughed at me also on many occasions. Every time somebody laughs at me when I have big dreams and plans, I am sure I'm on the right path. So friends, we need to change that. Hobe na keno? So many people say ki kore hobe. So George Bernard Shaw had said, you see things as they are and ask why. I dream of things and ask why not. Hobe na keno? Jeta 20 বছরে হয়নি, I'm wanting we will change that in 12 months. That's why I'm calling you the change makers. The vaccine for polio took 23 years to make. The vaccine for Ebola took 5 years to make. The COVID vaccine was made in 9 months. What took 23 years can be done in 9 months. What has not happened in 20 years needs to happen in 12 months. And it is you who will do it, not me. I will join you, but you will take the lead. Because membership in Rotary is not the president's responsibility, not the board of directors' responsibility, not the governor's responsibility. It is individual Rotarians' responsibility. So Debolina, Vajanti, Sharmila, Suchitra, Partho, Gautam, Shoma, Reena, Digvijay, Shekhar, Rajani, Probir, Sudeep, Shabbar responsibility. Each of us needs to ensure that Rotary grows. And I have a very simple formula. Each one, bring one. I'm promising you, if all the presidents that I've spoken to, they go back to their clubs and speak about this. And if every Rotarian just does one thing, get just one Rotarian, we will cross 1.3 million ceiling very easily. And is it a difficult task? Sara bochore ekjonke member niye asha. Let's see how many of you are agreeable that in the next 12 months' time, you will get one person into Rotary. That could be a friend, relative, anybody. Ar jodi shetao parcho na, tale in the evening it will be worthwhile to go and stand in front of the mirror and ask, ki kollam jivone? That I cannot get one worthy person into an organization that is wanting to serve other people. Let's see how many of us will do that. I will do it in the month of July. Okay. Smart people are all getting online and putting their virtual hands. Let me go to the next screen. Dekhi, Wow, everybody has their hands up. Devolina, তোমার হাত উপরে নেই, আমি দেখছি। Left hand এবার উপরে হয়েছে, yes. Wonderful, great, great. This looks great. Record হচ্ছে, so you can see these pictures. You can see more than 50 people have already raised their hands, and because they are raising their hands, the others who have not virtually raised their hands, I can see. Thank you, Soma. Thank you so much. Wow, now nearly 60 people have raised their hands. Thank you so much. And I can see the others also raising their hands physically. Thank you so much. So friends, it is no rocket science. Virat kichu ekta korte hobe, there is nothing like this. So I'm amazed, why did we not grow for the last 20 years? The reason is follow up. Nothing else but follow up. একটা ডিস্ট্রিক্টে একজন অশোক আগরওয়াল, মাই ক্লাব প্রেসিডেন্ট, ও যদি বলে দেয় মাই ডিস্ট্রিক্ট উইল গেট ইউ 50,000, মাই ক্লাব উইল গেট ইউ, অর শেখর মেহতা ছেড়ে দাও, ও অশোক আগরওয়াল যদি বলে দেয় আই উইল ডোনেট $25,000 টু দ্য রোটারি ফাউন্ডেশন, 5 দিনের ভেতরে the DRFC will give him a call. কয়েকদিন পরে the governor will give him a call. Sometime later the ARRFC, senior to them, then the RRFC who looks after the entire zone, and the trustee will give you a call saying wo 25,000 ko 50,000 kar do na. But you tell him that I will get 10 members, nobody will even give you a call. No wonder since 35 years, 35 বছর আগে, we wanted to collect just $120 million. We ended up collecting $242 million. And since then, I've never ever seen any foundation target not to be met. We have succeeded in every foundation target and we have failed in every membership target. The reason is just follow up. So my presidents, today what you have done is amazing. Raise your hands. Now go back to your clubs and ask each and every member in your club also to raise their hands. Don't force anybody, just as I did not. Just ask them who all will get, and they will tell you, and you need to come back with those figures. And Probir, I want those figures from you, not figures that you have decided how many members will come into Rotary. If you can go back to the clubs and the clubs say, okay, each of us, and not club, individual. So Indira, when you go back to your club, ask every member. और जो बोल रहा है कि हाँ मैं लाऊंगा, उसी का नाम वापस भेजना, पूरे क्लब के रोस्टर के सामने में लिखना yes no. If you have 50 members and 30 say yes, that is good enough for us. So Siranjani Joshi, please do the same thing for your club. Get the club list, and against that write who all will get. And give them a good reason behind that, just as I gave you a reason why we need to grow. How can you not grow for 20 years? So we will change that. And please, for God's sake, do not bring members just because I told you. Bring a member because you feel, yes, there needs to be a growth. We do not want membership grown for the sake of growing. No, we need to engage every member that we bring into our club. Let not these people go back. It's an amazing organization. We do such meaningful work. COVID आया तो COVID का response किया. Cyclone आया तो cyclone का response किया. I mean, any need that arises, we rise up to that occasion. Wonderful occasion, wonderful organization. So why should not be inviting people to join? And why should we not be able to keep people? Clubs who have just 5 members, please move to beyond 10 members. Because whatever you say, 5 members se club nahi chal sakta hai. If you are below 10, strive to achieve beyond 15, if not 20. Those who are below 15, please reach out to become 20. It does not augur well for our district, which is the premier district in the world, premier in the in Asia, premier in the sense that we were the first district in Asia. It doesn't augur well. It would be worthwhile for you to find out how many, and all presidents, malum kariye, how many clubs in our district are below 20. 20 is our threshold to become a Rotary club. You'll be amazed at the numbers that are there. My request, utmost request, those clubs, please our district can become doubly strong in every which way. If only those clubs say, in 1 year, we will double our membership from 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 15 to 20, 15 to double bhi nahi karna hai, 15 to 20. Let's move to the next threshold at least. It will be great service to Rotary in our district, let me tell you. All assistant governors, this is your responsibility to change. If the I see ZS, so there must be ZS and assistant governors also must be here. But ZS, it is directly your responsibility. So Gautam, your responsibility. Ajay Agarwal, your responsibility. You need to see that the membership of the clubs that is with you, their membership grows to the next level at least. And for the rest, it is each one bring one. And of course, Probir, I'm sure you're going to form many new clubs, and your membership figures that you've given me are just outstanding. I compliment you for the leadership that you're showing. So friends, when we grow more, we will be able to do more. Each of us may have joined Rotary for different reasons. But today, most of us are in Rotary because of the opportunity that we get to serve other people. I joined Rotary when I was only 25 years old. Let me confess, service was the last thing on my mind. Chittaranjan Chaudhary invited me. Chittaranjan Chaudhary invited me to become a member. I thought, chalo, we'll make some friends, and I joined Rotary. I did not know what the other world, what service meant, kya zarurat thi. I had no clue. Life was comfortable for me. And then one day, the club took me about 50 kilometers away from home. And that day, I saw a different world. First of all, to get into that village 50 kilometers away from home, you could not use the car because you had to park the car and go on a bike. So I sat on a motorcycle and went in. We realized that the road was so narrow, the car could not go there. And when I went there, I was amazed at what I saw. I live in a palatial home. वहां पर जिस घर के अंदर मैं गया, मैं विक्रम टाटिया, वहां पे अंदर खड़े नहीं हो सकते हैं उस झोपड़ी में, सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकते, झुक के रहना पड़ता है. I am wondering which air conditioner to put at my home. That home did not even have a window. And people lived there for years. मुझे देखना है पानी गर्म हुआ तो मैं नहाने जाऊं, उसके तो टॉयलेट ही नहीं है घर में. I am thinking which filter to use to get clean drinking water. They drink the same water where they and their buffaloes bathe. I am thinking whether my son should go to La Martini or Don Bosco or St. Xavier's College. किसका campus बड़ा है? उस गांव का campus is below the tree, and the black charcoal painted wall is the only blackboard those children have seen. Half of what I saw 30 years back is still a reality today. Go 50 kilometers, not even 50 kilometers. Go 5 kilometers inside from Joka, IIM Joka. 5 kilometers inside, not even 5, 3 kilometers jaoge, you will find. We have built there thousands of toilets there, which means they did not have toilets at their homes. What about the dignity of the women there? It's important that each of us goes and pays a visit to these places. Rotary is not just about having meetings and having guest speakers at our meetings. It's not just about fellowship. Fellowship is one of our core values. Yes, because fellowship leads us to. Just at my previous meeting, I was addressing 9 districts of Italy, and one person asked me, what are the few things that you have done in Rotary that we should do? I said, the first thing is make friends. If you make friends, only then will you be able to survive in Rotary. You'll be able to move ahead, etc., etc. But friendship to me, once that is done, it's important that we come together to serve. So friends, Rotary is giving us an amazing opportunity of thinking of others, caring for others, of other people even before we think of ourselves. Let not, presidents, don't let this opportunity go. This 1 year can be a life-changing experience for you. So next year we will focus on empowering girls. In all things that we do, all projects that we do, whether it's water, sanitation, environment, literacy, skill development, let us focus on empowering girls. Even in today's age and time, friends, you will realize and you will agree that the girls are discriminated against or disadvantaged in this world. Why should they be? They are 50% stakeholders in this world. They have equal rights because they are equal in numbers. So is it fair that we do not work for their equity? So let us raise a voice. बात उठाएंगे तो दूर तक जाएगी, लेकिन बात को उठाना पड़ेगा. और बात सिर्फ बात उठाने से नहीं होगा, काम करके बात को उठाना होगा. तो काम करना होगा for empowering girls. I'm happy to see the screen where there are more girls than boys, which is a good sign for our district, let me tell you. So let us all ensure that we work for their empowerment. And friends, what is it that we could do? In basic education literacy, let us ensure that they do not drop out of school. 40% of the girls drop out by the time they reach class 8 or 9. We have to ensure that they do not drop out. If they are dropping, can we give them scholarships so that they do not drop out? This government was giving them cycles, an excellent project. Can we give them cycles to go to and fro to their school and do other things? Can we give them solar lights where there is no light? It just costs 900 rupees and you can give them a solar light. How about thinking of their menstrual hygiene? You go about 50 kilometers again, 50 kilometers दूर जाइए और वहां पर देखिए वो क्या use करते हैं instead of sanitary pads. And what happens when they use, if at all they use sanitary pads, so much of environmental issues. How about providing them, it costs only 300 rupees, 5 sanitary pads that can be reused for next 2 years time. इससे simple, better project क्या हो सकता है? And start, get 20 women to form a self-help group. Let them manufacture these. Let them get this branded, and that's the responsibility of the district governor to get it branded by one of the top companies or by UNICEF, etc. So people know that this is safe to use. And then the girls market it and the late girls use it. So in one stroke, you have cared for the environment, you have cared for their health, hygiene, and you have also cared for their skill development and economic development and empowerment. How about looking at their nutrition? Pregnant girls, pregnant women who are going to deliver the child, they need special nutrition. Otherwise, the children will get stunted. Their minds will get stunted. And we don't want, some of the best minds in our country are from Bengal. We don't want the next generation to have stunted minds. So these are some of the things. There are so many other things that we could do. I was just 1 hour back, I was on a meeting with Shri Ravi Shankarji. We have agreed that we will do a program on mental health issues because of this COVID thing. He mentioned that every 49 seconds, there is one suicide. WHO figures. Because of the pandemic and the impact that it is having on people. Every 49 seconds, not even a minute. So how about starting a helpline? Probir, start a helpline. The Bengali helpline has to be started by you. Simple यार, एक 1-800 number ले लो या pan India लो, उसके अंदर में अलग-अलग languages choose कर लिया जिसने भी, there should be a shoulder to cry on. There should be somebody to give support. Maybe we may just be able to stop 10 people from dying. Is that less? So friends, these are things that we need to do. Also go out, work on the Rotary Days of Service. That's another program for the year. Do programs and projects locally and invite a lot of non-Rotarians. Let them see what good work you do. And for that day, God's sake, let us not worry about hamara banner सीधा है कि टेढ़ा banner नहीं. Indira Goenka, you are the banner. Ashit Talukdar, you are the banner for your club. Sharabjit Poddar, forget banners, yaar. You are the banner. When you post, नीचे तो लिखा है तुम्हारे क्लब का नाम. DIST 3291 does not mean anything to anybody in the world. Let me tell you. Apart from the Rotarians, it does not mean. Ask your friend who's a non-Rotarian, tell them कभी DIST 3291 सुना है? नहीं. They don't even understand what is this. Rotary, yes, important. Banner, हुआ तो ठीक है नहीं. Your photograph से beneficiary का photograph is more important. Post तो आप कर ही रहे हो. You are posting it. So everybody knows that you've done the project. Add a line. I was privileged to be present today at this project. I was so happy that I could participate in a program of skill development of women that my club did. Do whatever. Because mind you, when it's a Rotary internal program, do whatever you feel like. Doesn't make a difference. When we are working with outsiders, your image is created by these issues. On ek din aage, at an installation a poet was invited. 1.5-2 ঘন্টা বসেছিল, and when he got his chance to get up and speak, he said, খুবই ভালো লাগলো, এলাম এখানে 2 ঘন্টা ধরে দেখছি, ইনি ওকে একটা বুকে দিচ্ছেন, উনি ওকে দিচ্ছেন, উনি আবার এনাকে দিচ্ছেন, ইনি ওকে মেমেন্টো দিচ্ছেন, উনি আবার এনাকে মেমেন্টো দিচ্ছেন. By principle, my Rotary Club does not invite non-Rotarians on the installation day. Installations are for my own celebration. It's our internal award thing, celebration thing. Let's not call outsiders, because that is the image that it will take. I would rather invite them when I'm doing heart surgeries for 10 children. They'll go out and say, wow, ki club re baba. 10 ta bachcha জীবনটা বাঁচিয়ে দিল. Not that 10 জনকে ওরা memento দিয়ে দিল. That's not important. We need to be careful about the image that we create. It's extremely important. And it all comes when Seva becomes more important than you, it all comes there. So let's participate in the Rotary Days of Service. We are also going to have a presidential conference in India. There are going to be 7 presidential conferences around the world, and one of them is going to be in Hyderabad. If you have by chance never gone to a convention, or you think you will not be able to go to the next Houston convention, then do not miss Hyderabad. It is the next best thing to a convention. 7,000 people will be attending it, and you will get a flavor of what a convention is. It will prompt you to go to a convention. Let me use this opportunity also to tell you, please register yourself for the Houston convention if at all you want to do, because the registration at the lowest slab is from 12th to 16th June only. That's the discounted rate at which you will be able to register yourself. So friends, do these things, and let me take the last few minutes to speak specifically to the presidents. And as I speak to them, Rashi is just joining me. So presidents, some leadership tips for you. Just give me 1 second.
Audit. I take this opportunity to welcome Rashi ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. Thank you.
So coming back, friends, to the presidents, some of the tips on leadership, let me tell you. As I said, it's such an important role. And if you don't believe, look at the March issue of the Rotarian. They asked me a question in an interview, Shekhar, if you are given again an opportunity, president of your Rotary Club or president of Rotary International? See my answer, it says president of my Rotary Club. To me, that's how important that position is. So what do you do when you become the president? Have big dreams. Big dreams. इतना बड़ा dream कि तुम्हारे साल में तो complete ही न हुआ अंजना. Your dreams have to be that big. Bidhan, your dream has to be so big. एक छोटो भाबाटा छेड़ दीते हैं. For an organization which is 116 years old, which is in more countries than United Nations has on its folds, where for one program of polio eradication, we have raised $2 billion, 15,000 crores of rupees, our money, 15,000 crore from Bill and Melinda Gates. 30,000 crores and 10 times that money from around the world from different governments, all by advocacy by Rotary. That is the power of the organization. And where have we come? 19 million children today are walking or alive because of the doses that we gave to 3 billion children, not once, but multiple times. So friends, that is the organization. Your dreams have to be big. Dreams like we'll make India totally literate. Crazy. So what happened? As I told you a little while back, you have a crazy dream, you will see people will laugh at you. And like Gandhi said, they'll first ignore you, then they'll laugh at you. Then they'll understand you, then they'll join you, and then you will win. It happens, friends. Also, have a positive attitude. When you dream big, a lot of people will say, "Eta hobe na." Hobe na. So on the Hudson River, when the first time steamboat start hochilo, people gathered around to see ki hochche re bhai, Hudson River opor steamboat cholbe. So everybody started to say, "Oh, this won't start, this won't start, this won't start." Tatakhon it started. When it started going, the same people started saying, "This won't stop, this won't stop, this won't stop." So कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, अरे दूसरे तुम्हारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं ये भी अगर तुम सोचने लगोगे तो वो बेचारे क्या करेंगे? Leave this job to them. You keep doing your work. So have a positive attitude. A lot of people tell me, "Oh, तुम ये पढ़ा इतना बड़ा." I'll tell you membership के लिए, they will give me 10 reasons. They'll give me 2 reasons why I will not succeed. I say, you will give me 2. I have 10 reasons. I can tell you why I will not succeed. But can you give me one good reason how we can succeed? That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking at how I can fail. If you have a recipe to give to me for success, please give it to me. Positive attitude. Have a vision. Vision is extremely important. You are the president. You are the leader. Behave like a leader. You have to think beyond what others can. You have to see beyond what others can. So when an apple falls from a tree, there is one Newton who thinks, and he sees beyond us. He has the vision and he discovers the law of gravity. We all see a mouse, but look at Mickey Mouse. Look at Walt Disney. We see a mouse, he saw a Mickey Mouse. And he created an empire out of it. We normally create a trap. He created an empire. That's what is called vision. So when Disney World was getting inaugurated, or 15 days approximately or something more, Walt Disney died. But the inauguration went on, and at the inauguration stage, Walt Disney's wife was there, and the CEO of the company was there. The CEO came and said, "I wish Walt could see this." It was the inauguration. So he says, "I wish Walt could see this." Walt's wife says, "It was only Walt who could see this." So friends, that is what vision is. You'll say, "Are একটা কি ক্লাবের 20 জনের ক্লাবের প্রেসিডেন্ট হচ্ছে আবার vision ওখানে দরকার." It depends on how you want to lead your club. You want to be just another run-of-the-mill president, তাহলে vision দরকার নেই. But if you want to leave footprints in the history, in the sands of time, তাহলে vision দরকার আছে. You have to think of things that others are not thinking. হবে না? No. Why not? No. So, with the vision, chisel your dreams to come out with goals. You know, when I was becoming Probir, when I was becoming the governor, Chandramohan Amake, I went to his office. He acted like my mentor, past Governor Chandramohan. So he said, "Okay, Shekhar, what are your goals?" I started with, "I want to be an outstanding governor." Eta kono goal holo? Is this a goal? I tried to tell him something. He said, "Thik ache, you go home and write down what is it that you want to achieve during the year." Probir, that was a day when the course of my life changed. I came back home. I started writing down all that I wanted to achieve, put a value to it, how many people will get benefited to it. That was the millennium year, and I called them the millennium goals. Sorry. I developed 15 of them, but then speaking to various friends, etc., we brought them down to 10 millennium goals. There were sniggers at that time. People laughed at that time, but then didn't make a difference to me. We went ahead at the pets. I shared it with them. These are the millennium goals. People said, Duto Cornelio, it will be a big deal. We achieved 6 of them. We failed in 4 of them, but it did not make a difference. I'll come to failure a little later, but let me tell you what one of the dreams was. The biggest, the most audacious dream I had at that time was, how about creating 500 homes in the city of Calcutta with the rotary wheel there? I just mentioned this. In 2 months' time, one of the presidents from Rotary Club of Narendrapur came and said, okay, the land is available. This Ramakrishna Missionary Act branch out ache. They are ready to give the land. We got the land. A 3H grant by Vinod Khaitan was applied for in that year itself. Normally, it would have taken 2 years' time. But in June last week, I come to know Vinod Khaitan gives me a call late in the night and says, Shekhar, the grant is approved. I couldn't believe it. Tears rolled down my cheeks, I remember. The most audacious of the dreams, look how dreams become a reality. Had I not dreamt it, very frankly, I did not get the land. My club did not apply for the project. It was Rotary Club of Narendrapur that did it. Yes, 500 homes did not get made, but 300 homes did get made there. If you can dream it, you can do it. I'm happy Hiralal Yadav is present here. Another dream was to make that club revive. I gave Hira, तुमको इस club को revive करना है तो कुछ एक बड़ा project करना होगा. क्या करेंगे? So the idea was we will set up an eye hospital. Rashi and I went to see that eye hospital. We were stepping like this, ध्यान से कि कहीं अभी गिर ना जाए building. That is how the building was. मतलब एकदम जर्जर अवस्था. And one thing I said, Hira, इसको hospital को बनाओगे, it should be worthy of me to come and get the operation done, although we will do it for poor people. So laid marbles लगाना है यहाँ पे. वो बोलता है bread है नहीं, cake खाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. But today this man not only did that at that hospital, he has thereafter set up along with me more than 15 eye hospitals, and each of them that has been a condition excellence. If you can dream it, you can do it. So have big dreams. Set up those goals. Your goals have to be such that they are a little beyond you. You cannot achieve them during your year. थोड़ा सा बाकी रह जाए. On 30th June ये लगे यार, I wish I had some more time. I would have been able to achieve this. I would have been able to do this. So Shomnath, you should feel. Nilanjan, you should feel. আর কিছুদিন পেলে এই কাজটা হয়ে যেত. Not that 15 তারিখে 15th of June, বছরটা শেষ সব করে দিলাম তুমি তো ট্রাই করনি এনাফ তোমার কাছে 15 দিন যে শর্টেজ টাইম তার জন্য তো প্ল্যানই করনি so your goals have to be stretch goals to share your goals with your club members and delegate responsibility. Don't try to do everything yourself. A club is as strong as its committees are. If your committees work, your club is outstanding. If your committees don't work, your work becomes narrow because you and a few of your friends who are putting in their life into it, they can achieve only little. Delegate and give credit to them. A credit nevata, we don't have to take. Let's give the credit to others. I always say, Prabir, Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. Nobody ever knows who the architect was, who the engineer was, ke marble lagalo, ke mistri chilo. Nobody cares for that. Nobody knows that. Your next year for 3291 Probir, you are the Shah Jahan. History will remember you for the work that you do during this year. And all the club presidents, let me tell you, you will be the Shah Jahans of your club. People will remember कि इंदिरा के साल में ऐसा हुआ काम भले ही किसी ने किया anybody may have done but people will that's how people will remember but there's nothing you can do about it that's how people are So the next president, Bimal Kumar, or let's say Krishna is here. You do anything, Meena Ghosh. When you are doing something, people will remember you. So this year, give credit to others. And I tell you, they will move mountains for you. Because that's credit is the only thing that you can give in Rotary. Nothing else. When you give credit, you are encouraging that person to become involved more and more in the club. So delegate. And this 1 year that you have this opportunity of serving people, do not lose this. I have no yesterday's time took them away. Tomorrow's may not be. So if there is something good that I want to do, let me do it now, or I may not cross this path again. So you may not cross this path again. If you are unlucky, you will cross this path again. Somebody who has to become the president of the club second time, let me tell you, is unlucky. Third time, severe bad luck. Fourth time you become president means hopeless situation. At our club, we do not even want past presidents to be on the board. They can only take advisory positions and one past president can be on the board. So friends, this coming year, let's make it special. Not because an Indian is going to be at the helm of affairs. My speech next year will just be the same, absolutely. We have to work because we want the organization to grow. So we'll grow more. We will reach that charismatic figure of 1.3 million because we feel that our organization should grow. We will ensure that we empower the girls. We will tell our story. We are very good at telling the stories, and you have so many stories to tell. Ashit, tomar club je project ta korlo okhane. That school that you made, you could write a book on that. Forget a story. So there is so much to be told. But you know what we do? We are very good at telling our story, Prabir, but unfortunately we tell it to ourselves. Hey, Rotarian der kache chhodiye dilam. We need to tell it to the outside world. That's very important. Each of you is a brand ambassador of Rotary. Pick up your phone, do a nice project, and share it with others. To me, a post is good. A social media post is good when I post it. And 15-20 days later, it comes back to me from a non-Rotarian. Tar mane ki Rotary world e baire ghure ota esche. That means a lot of non-Rotarians also have seen it. So friends, let us make the next year a very special one. You are going to be the change makers. We will make a change, and let me end with this short poem that I had written for the theme speech that I had given. The biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life, to change, to make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hand, heart, and soul, the magic will begin to happen as the wheel begins to roll. Prabir and all the presidents, let's turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. Thank you.
রজনীদা একটু আনমিউট করুন। রজনীদা আনমিউট করুন। রজনীদা আনমিউট করুন।
Yeah, sorry. I didn't notice that. Yeah, thank you very much, President-elect Shekhar Mehta, for this fantastic, motivating speech. We are quite confident that the Changemaker presidents will bring changes, will make changes. We are all with you to make changes. Now it's time for the presidents to ask question to President-elect. Be specific on the question, please. Naren, if you could, see who is raising hand and allow the President-elect to put up the question.
The chat also is enabled now, or you can raise your hand.
Presidents can raise your hand. Yeah, I can see Vikram Tatia.
Shekharji, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has a very close connect with Rotary International, and they have played an amazing role in the eradication of polio. Do you see an Indian corporate giant doing a similar collaboration with Rotary International to serve society?
They are doing. Let me tell you, next to Bill and Melinda Gates, the biggest contributor to the Rotary Foundation is an Indian, and that is Mrs. Rajshri Birla.
Okay.
The second biggest. And we also have a commitment from another gentleman who has committed 100 crores of rupees for the Rotary Foundation. And there are so many other philanthropists who are giving money, huge money. Just yesterday, we signed an MOU for a 300 crore project, 50,000 concentrators. And just today, a little while back, I was in a meeting where Shri Ravi Shankar was there. And he has asked us to join them. And we've, in fact, also asked them to join us for rejuvenating rivers, for rejuvenating water bodies, for working on mental health of children, of people who are dying because of who are doing suicides because of the pandemic. So some of the top organizations around the world we are working with. I think Rotary has a great brand and we have a great network. These are two things.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can see Arnab Basu. Yes, Arnab.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so my question to our respected RA President-elect is that I have planned to induct 2 members who are known to us, but since they reside in US, so they won't be able to join physically, but we have planned to induct them virtually, so they will be able to be with us in the meetings and attend the meetings virtually, and in the projects, though they won't be able to be with us physically, but they have agreed that they have agreed to give the financial assistance, the financial contributions. So
Good.
is that a good idea? We can do that? We can proceed?
It's not at all a good idea. It's a very good idea.
Thank you. Because I think, see,
the future is hybrid. Okay.
Mhm.
My own club, I have requested it to become a hybrid club. Every meeting of ours should be in person, and people who are unable to attend should be able to attend it virtually.
Absolutely.
When you do that, virtual is the next. The future is all virtual.
Because you see, I have given a good thought about one of your targets, that increase the membership, and I have thought that it might not always be possible to select good members who are there physically, but we can also find members who are residing at other places abroad.
Agreed. Also, good idea.
By virtually.
Agreed, but I do not agree that physically tumi pabe na. The population of Calcutta is 1.5 crores. Our membership in Calcutta is less than 2,000. 0.00. We are not getting into a discussion here. 0.001, which means 10,000 যদি একজনকে আনতে হয়, আমরা 10,000 মানুষের ভেতরে একজন লোককে পাবো না যাকে আমি রোটেরিয়ান বানাতে পারি. I do not agree with that. So it is possible, but I compliment you for becoming hybrid. Excellent. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
Next. Lots of people. রজনী এই সবাই হাত তুলে রেখেছে উপরে, আমি বলে দিই নীলাঞ্জন সেন.
Devashish, ask your question.
No, Nilanjan, तुम बीच में मत बोल भाई. Naren. Go ahead, Nilanjan, ask your question. Unmute करो.
Am I audible?
যারা যারা প্রশ্ন করবে আগেই আনমিউট করে নাও।
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Achha, when is the president seminar which you told that is scheduled to be happening in Hyderabad? When is-
February 4, 5, 6 in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Srijita, go ahead.
Good evening, Uncle. Question is pretty much simple since we are like as Rotary International is bringing in concern for environment as one of the focus areas for the coming year. I am really appalled when I heard that both for DG's visit and awards every year, it's mandatory to send in hard copies. So the question to you is, would you not consider making it, if not mandatory, but at least propagate the idea that we must come down from hard copies as much as possible?
Srijita, you and I are on the same page. I have in fact told all governors and they are doing it. Let me tell you, there is a site now starting just this year, last year, current year, where every project is being uploaded. And it will be unfortunate if any governor now says that please send me hard copies.
If you're talking about Rotary India, I think it's already in use and our club has been using it for this entire year.
So the idea for the district governors is go there, find out যারা ওখানে আপলোড করেছে ওদেরকে প্রাইজ দাও, এক বছর ওদেরকে প্রাইজ দাও, next year দেখো।
Absolutely.
Others, everybody will start doing there, and there is no reason for people to get hard copies at all. I totally agree with you.
Thank you so much.
I am going to announce that today only there will be no hard copy this year, and I also announced in the prepaids right from the GML, and I requested Narendra to make it some points over like that so that we can do it. And since last 2.5 years, the moment I became the governor, I requested Narendra to come, and myself, Narendra, Rajanita, and Abhijit Mitra sat together, and I said I want to have these OCVs online. And now I am just doing it. Along with that will be the award also will be online. So, and also I requested Anshumanda, he will be taking classes on Rotary India tomorrow, so that he will also say how can it be done.
Good, wonderful. Debashish Dasgupta. Unmute yourself, please. You are muted, Debashish. You are muted.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Shekharji, you have just advised us to increase the number of members, but now the challenge is retention. We have found that in a year, a president has joined, suppose 5 to 7 members, but next year, all of them have left. What will be your tips regarding this?
আমি তো এইসব 35 বছর দেখেছি বুঝেছি তাই জন্য বলিনি যে প্রেসিডেন্ট তুমি 5 জনকে আনো। I have said each one bring one. If it is evenly distributed, next year president গেলে একজন চলে যাক। That is the answer. অনেক ভেবে খুব সিম্পল মনে হয় each one bring one. Lot of thought has gone into it. If you evenly divide it in the club and ask everybody, every meeting বলো আরে ভাই কি হলো তুমি মেম্বার আনবার কথা ছিল। And finish your targets in the first 3 months, get 50% of the members. Next 3 months, get 25%. Next 3 months, get 25%. And last 3 months, only focus on retaining members. Don't let single member go back. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Indra.
I wanted to know what is it that you want to change in Rotary, that one thing that you really want to change?
The membership figures. Simple. बाकी तो देखो दुनिया चेंज एक साल में होगी नहीं. We will not be able to empower all girls in 1 year, but we have to raise the voice. So that is one change we will make. देखो change makers नाम दिया है 2 चीजों के लिए. Do more, grow more and do more. Grow more तो numbers बढ़ाने हैं and do more की काम ज्यादा करना है. और काम मैंने बताया आपको कि काम फॉर एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इतना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, हमारी छोटे मोटे काम ये जाके स्कूलों के अंदर में पेंसिल इरेजर दे दिए, सब दिन गए. अब पेंसिल इरेजर मत दीजिए, आप स्कूल्स बनाइए, हैप्पी स्कूल्स कन्वर्ट करिए. That is the level. So let's increase the value of the programs that we do. That's what we are doing at India level. Let's do it at the district level.
Can you tell me one more thing that which is according to you?
Just one second. Indra, Rashi needs to go, so she'll just say goodbye to everyone.
Bye and all the best to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rashi.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
More screen space for me. Yes, go ahead. Bolo, Indra, kya bol rahe?
I wanted to know which is according to you is the best project till date in the area peace building and conflict resolution? Because that is the area like little.
So it differs from people to people.
Your idea.
किसी के लिए कुछ पीस है, किसी के लिए कुछ पीस है. मेरे लिए हम जो ये काम करते हैं of bringing eyesight to people, that is peace. When we do heart surgeries, that is peace. When we put limbs to people, that is peace. When we build toilets in those villages जहाँ उनके घरों में toilets नहीं, that is peace. Imagine, Indira, one day you have to, for 7 days you are left in a village where there is no toilet at your home. Will you be at peace? You won't be. Toilet बना दिया, you will be at peace ना. तुम्हें पानी अनफिल्टर्ड मिल रहा है, उसके गंदगी है उसके अंदर, तुम्हें मालूम है, लेकिन ऑप्शन नहीं है, वही पानी पीना है. Will you be at peace? No, you won't be. वो जो आर्टिफिशियल लिम्स हम लोग लगाते हैं, I mean, वो बंदा जिसको लिम्स दोनों चले गए पैर, वो तो सोचो वो जिंदगी में 5.5 फुट का था, 3.5 फुट का हो गया. He has fallen in stature, in life, physically also. He was the bread earner, he is no more. And then you put just 2 artificial limbs to that person and walks again. I mean, सोचो उस आदमी का क्या, what peace it brings to him and his entire family. To me, that is what I call positive peace. Mere absence of war is not peace. Peace is when you bring peace into the lives of people. To me, the work that we do is the best thing we can do for bringing peace. Polio eradication is our best example of peace in this world. So let me tell you a good thing. Rotary, मैंने मेरा इंटरव्यू जब हुआ था प्रेसिडेंट बनने के लिए, one of the questions they asked, what is it that you would like Rotary to achieve? I said, I would love Rotary to be nominated, not win necessarily, to be nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. You'll be happy to know I worked really hard, nearly 2 months, to ensure we got 50 nominations from 30 different countries for Rotary to be nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. Now keep our fingers crossed, hope we win it. नहीं तो आज से वो थोड़ा आभार हो गए. Yes, Anjali Roy. Anjali. अनम्यूट करो. अमित अनम्यूट करके रखो भैया. नवीन अनम्यूट करके रखो अपने आप. अंजलि, you have to unmute yourself. Yes, go ahead.
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা শেখর জি, আমার একটা কথা আছে, যারা নতুন মানে রোটারিয়ান মেম্বার হতে চাইছে তাদের এক কথায় কি করে রোটারির ব্যাপারটা বোঝাবো? মানে যেমন ধরুন উদাহরণস্বরূপ, যেমন আমরা বলি সত্যমেব জয়তে বা সত্যম শিবম সুন্দরম বুদ্ধং শরণং গচ্ছামি, এই কথাগুলোকে আমি রোটারিতে কি কাজ আছে বা কি থাকতে হয় সেগুলো এক কথায় একজন নতুন রোটারিয়ানকে আমি কিভাবে বোঝাবো?
শোনো, এক কথায় সত্যমেব জয়তে বললে ভারত বোঝা যায় না.
হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে. সিমিলারলি এক কথা বললে রোটারি বোঝা যাবে না. বাট তাও ইফ ইউ সে সার্ভিস অ্যাবাউট সেলফ ইজ হোয়াট উই ডু, এই কথাটা বললে কিন্তু মানুষেরা বুঝবে যে আমরা কি অর্গানাইজেশন আছি. আর এমন কি ব্যাপারে ভাই, সে কি মিস্টার বিল্ডার কাছেও এক কথা না কয়েক কথা শুনবার সময় আছে? এক কথায় বলবার কি আছে? ভালো করে বোঝাও, ভালো করে বোঝাও. ফর গুড থিংস ইন লাইফ দেয়ার ইজ নো শর্টকাট.
থ্যাংক ইউ. থ্যাংক ইউ.
Sir, good evening. I'm from RC Presidency, sir. Sir, we have been doing many projects. And polio being one of the landmark projects of Rotary, why not besides polio we do some brand imaging projects? हम इतने डाइवर्सिफाइड प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं that we lost count of the project. But जैसे पोलियो एक ब्रांड इमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट है, तो क्यों नहीं रोटरी एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करे जिसमें हम सारे क्लब्स उसमें जुड़े एंड वी मेक इट एन इमेज बिल्डिंग फॉर द रोटरी एंड ओवरऑल.
सो जरूर, हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं जो कि पाथ ब्रेकिंग है. इंडिया को टोटली लिटरेट करना, लेट मी टेल यू, अगर सही मायने में देखा जाए तो इंडिया को पोलियो से मुक्त करने से ज्यादा बड़ा प्रोग्राम है. हम उसमें काम कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा नाम है. पोलियो में जितना नाम हुआ उससे ज्यादा शायद नाम हो गया है लिटरेसी फील्ड में. गवर्नमेंट्स हमको अप्रोच करती हैं, हर वीक एक गवर्नमेंट अप्रोच करती है, जी ये काम हम आपके साथ करना चाहते हैं. वेरियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले टाटा ट्रस्ट की तरफ से प्रपोजल आया कि हम आपके साथ करना चाहते हैं. हाफ एंड हाफ, 50% पैसा हम देंगे, 50% हम देंगे। रोज देखिए, आज ये कल का प्रोजेक्ट जो था, जो ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर वाला, 300 करोड़ रुपया उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया, हमने नहीं किया। हमने 3 करोड़ भी नहीं किया उसके अंदर, लेकिन फिर भी वो हमारे पास आए हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि एक ब्रांड इमेज है हमारे काम करने की ना। ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि वो ब्रांड इमेज नहीं बन रही है या नहीं हो रही है। एंड बाकी प्रोबीर के ऊपर मैं, प्रोबीर, शेयर विद देम सम ऑफ दोस प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ RIHF दैट यू गाइस हैव set up the goals. I'm sure there are outstanding projects that you can participate in. Okay. Naveen and then Purojit and then Shamol.
Sir, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Sir, we are. I'm talking on behalf for the women empowerment. हम लोगों ने अभी एक ब्यूटिशियन कोर्स चालू किया लड़कियों के लिए 3 एरियाज में अलग अलग। तो हमने अपने हैप्पी स्कूल में भी अलाउ उसको कर दिया, बट पैंडेमिक के चलते ये रुक गया। हम लोग की बैचेज हो रही थी और काफी अच्छा चल रहा था। वी हैव गॉट CSR पार्टनर आल्सो इन इट, सो वी नीड असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द रोटरी। और हम इवन आई एम ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट विद द अदर पीपल कि इसका ऑनलाइन कुछ हो सकता है, वेदर इट इज वर्थ और नॉट। इस तरह की
ऑनलाइन क्या करना चाहते हो बताओ?
ब्यूटिशियन कोर्स फॉर द वुमेन्स, फॉर द लेडीज।
ठीक है, you do one thing. You write to info@rotaryteach.org.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Somebody will respond to you. They'll let you know.
And my one more question is regarding.
Amit, if you want to know anything about the literacy program, write at info@rotaryteach.org. You will be able to get the answer.
और सर कोविड के लिए भी हम लोग को असिस्टेंस चाहिए कि जैसे अभी तो सारे क्लब कर रहे हैं वैक्सीनेशन के लिए, बट फर्दर टू दैट एडिंग इफ समथिंग कम्स देन वी विल कम आउट अगेन लाइक पोलियो।
जरूर।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। Purojit. Purojit, go ahead, please. Follow.
Yeah, thank you. In fact, we have in Rotary many publications, and these publications are generally found in the Rotarian zone. Now, how that day we can bring when we will find these publications are also in the home of non-Rotarians, like say Ramakrishna Mission have got
खूब
many
simple.
publications.
Excellent idea, Purojit. खूब easy. 10টা extra subscribe করে দাও Rotary News. ঠিক আছে? Only 10 করলে you will get 120 copies in 1 year. Throughout the year, send 4 to Ramakrishna Mission. Send 4 to 30 organizations के पाठाते पारबे. If you want to send 6 in a year, 20 organization के तुम ही पाठाते पारबे. When you do this, Amit will understand this is a good thing he will do. Indira will do. Arnab will do. Vikram will do. Others will do. I totally agree. It is a good thing. Doctors' chambers. सबसे बेशी ओखाने ये बुझते हैं लोग देर.
Yes, yes.
Every doctor Rotarian should have it. Non-arch से नियर बंधु के बोला है भाई तुम्हारे ओखाने पाठाची राखो. Let them keep. Good idea.
Thank you.
Shamol and then Shujata. Rajani, let's look at the time. I think we have crossed the time. So these are the last 3 questions.
Last 3
4
questions. Yeah, last 3 questions.
People, Shomen, Gautam, Shamol and Shujata. First it will be Shamol.
Shamol, unmute karo.
Shujata, unmute kore rakho.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am running one institute in International Institute of Real Homeopathy. From Bangladesh, so many students are attending online classes. Most of them has joined Rotary Club of Kolkata Digi World. How can we collect their membership fees? Sir, as it is Bangladesh, so there is problem for receiving
this matter is already being looked after by Amitabh Mukherjee and the current DG and the incoming DG. They are the people to answer this, not me.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Shujata, go ahead.
Yes, Shekharji. We from Rotary Club of Calcutta, I have been making a lot of plans, started working maybe 1.5 years back. But what plans were made at that point in time seems not viable now with the COVID scenario. Now that we are expecting the third wave, do you think that Rotary can come in a big way since we already know and expecting it? Does Rotary have a role that you can suggest where, you know, we can or
Yes.
plan?
So I'll tell you.
Make a plan to move on. Yes.
So I would suggest to Probir, have a high-powered meeting, try and understand what is the work that we have done. You need to, at one place, get all the work that has been done. হঠাৎ দেখবে that আমরা খুব একটা বেড এখানে করিনি, ঠিক আছে? গৌতম, তোমার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে নয়েজ আসছে, so I'm muting you. Unmute yourself when you come, okay? So find out what is the need, what can be done. For example, oxygen concentrators, we will be giving more than 2,000 oxygen concentrators in Bengal itself. So I hope the oxygen concentrator situation, and this time it hobe na, oxygen will not be a problem because the government has understood, so much has come in, lakhs of oxygen concentrators have come in, bed increase hoye gache, and I must compliment the Chief Minister. She is aware that this is what we need to do and she will do it. And we will come out of the crisis. Hopefully we will not be. It will be good, Probir, you are meeting the Chief Minister. Ask her what is it that is needed. For such matters, it is always good to work with the government. There is no point going this side if the government is going this side. So ask them what is needed. She'll be able to tell you this is what is needed. This eta amra kore niyechi, apnar ar korar dorkar nei, amar eta dorkar ache. Let's do that. Spread the word in the presidents and it will be done. Sujata, go ahead. Ki bolcho?
Sure.
You to unmute karo.
Unmute karo. করতে পারছো না কেন? করো।
Okay.
হয়ে গেছে।
When we are talking about the government, actually, we have been off late trying to reach out, you know, to do something for the COVID orphans. You know,
Excellent
because
project. Excellent
yes.
project. Tomorrow somebody is speaking to me about this. The Mr. Om Birla, he and I were talking and he said, Shekhar ji, ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेटर और नहीं चाहिए, 300 मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा पड़े, मैं भेज देता हूँ. ये ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रंस को आप अडॉप्ट कर लीजिए. And I'm liking this idea. Take up this project. Very nice.
I just want to ask you something. I need a little help here. I got this message on the news from there are 12,000 orphans, COVID orphans. I reached to Times of India, and we had a meeting with the central government, the government at the center.
Sujata, long discussion we will have offline tomorrow. Give me a call. It's a great project. Please go ahead, do it.
Okay.
And I will request others, once you do it, share it with the governor will share it with others should also do it.
Okay.
Gautam.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, মধ্যমগ্রাম মেট্রোপলিটন।
বলো।
তো স্যার আমাদের মধ্যমগ্রাম মেট্রোপলিটন থেকে বলছি। তো আমাদের তো একটা ক্লিনিক আছে, চলছে আই ক্লিনিক। তো আমাদের জমি একটা নেওয়া আছে হসপিটালের জন্য। তো সেইটাতে আমরা হসপিটাল মানে নেক্সট ইয়ারে মানে এই প্যান্ডেমিক কন্ডিশনে তো কিছু করতে পারিনি আমরা এ পর্যন্ত। তো করব, সেই ব্যাপারে কতটা কিভাবে কি হেল্প পাওয়া যায় সেই ব্যাপারে আপনার কাছ থেকে একটু সাহায্য চাইছি, কিভাবে কি না করব।
তো এই কোশ্চেনটা তোমাকে
আমাদের মাথার উপর কল্যাণদা আছেন।
শোনো, দেখো,
আচ্ছা,
হসপিটাল বানাবার জন্য রোটারি টাকা দিতে পারবে না। হসপিটালটা নিজে বানাও, ইকুইপ করবার জন্য গ্লোবাল গ্রান্ট করো, প্রবীরের সঙ্গে দেখা করো।
আচ্ছা স্যার, মানে হসপিটালটা বানানোর ব্যাপারে কোন রকম মানে আমরা মানে বানানোটা একটা
সেখানে কর্পোরেট ওয়ার্ল্ডের সঙ্গে দেখা করো, কল্যাণকে বলো ম্যাগমা লিজিং দিয়ে আরম্ভ করবে।
হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, মানে মাল্টি স্পেশালিটি হসপিটাল করতে চাইছি তো ওই জন্য।
গুড, ভেরি গুড, করো করো, ভেরি নাইস আইডিয়া। Showman, please.
Good evening, Shekharji. I'm Showman from Calcutta Metropolitan. I'm not able to connect my video because of my low internet facility out here. Yeah. There's two things I would like to ask you. This is one problem which we're facing, maybe not in my club, but the entire Rotary, is which is much more required in our please, to do the work. We have the
maximum. What is required?
The involvement of the youth
in
our infusion of youth in Rotary. So how to do that? I've failed to induce them, and I failed to make them work to that. It's the main problem for all of us.
What's your club?
Calcutta Metropolitan.
Calcutta Metropolitan. Why I wanted to ask. That is because Metropolitan did not take the right steps at the right time. Getting young members is a regular process. By the time you have only white-haired or no-haired people in your club, it will become that much more difficult to get young members. The case is Calcutta Midtown. Their turnaround story holo ki kore, they were facing the same problem. It was one time one of the best clubs in the district, if not the best club in the district. They did not take new members. Younger members, Nilona, a stage came. Now young members were not ready to join it. Then they fortunately got a group of young people together and they joined it. Metropolitan is outstanding club, absolutely outstanding. You know that it's an outstanding club. But because the young people were not taken, so now you have two options. One, start a satellite club. It will be the first satellite club in our district. So start a satellite club only for young people. Get 10, 12, 15 people who will become members of that club. There will still be Rotary Club of Calcutta Metropolitan, but they are not meeting with you. They are having their own meetings, etc. Over a period of time, you start interacting with them, having projects with them. They will understand you better. You will understand them better. Who knows? A time will come when they will want to join. And suppose they do not want to join your club because you have not been able to do that, then when they become 20 of them, form a club for them. The other option is you get a group of 7, 8 young people to become a part of your club and give them a lot of leadership opportunities. Then you will have to probably take a little bit of a back seat, allow them to run the club. That's another way of attracting younger people.
Thank you very much.
Indira, did you again raise a hand? Did you want to ask a question?
Yeah, I wanted to ask. I wanted to know, like, because of this different situation from last 1 year, like there are few policies like age policy, 85 plus and all these things in RI. So can we get some clarification because of the recent
age policy? Matlab?
85 age policy is there, no? Like if the person is 20 years member, like members from last 20 years and then all those things are there.
Don't get into that. तुम्हारे क्लब के लिए है भी नहीं और जाओ भी मत. मुझे ही नहीं पता उसका. मैं applicable हूँ उसके लिए. Age plus the number of years that you are there, वो करने से आपको 100% attendance मिल जाता है. Attend नहीं करना पड़ता. ऐसा कुछ चीज मतलब छोड़ो ना, सब दकियानूसी बातें हुई हैं. Let's not worry about that. कितना भी age हो गया, come to the club.
Thank you very much, President-elect Shekhar. It was a fantastic evening with you, and a lot of good question and answer session. That is what I liked so much, that so many people, came forward with good questions. So once again, thank you so much.